All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining us. We really appreciate you over here. I'm getting ready to go live and show you guys. All right, some of you guys are some of my older crowd. Give me a second while I get this thing going. All right, cool. So like I said, some of my older investors, and some of you guys know what's going on. Some of you guys probably still need to get started and figure out how to take advantage of this new cryptocurrency market. All right, this new digital financial trend that we're in. All right, and you need to know how to position yourself. Okay, so what I'm gonna help you do just that. So give me a second while I kind of get everything set up. You see what the title is. I'm gonna be kind of going over some of those things. Cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin mining, how to take advantage of passive investment opportunities. All right, so we're going to show you how to invest, how to get started with digital currency. All right, Bitcoin, help you get your first Bitcoin, show you how to make a Bitcoin transaction. All right, and for those who don't know, Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized digital currency. It is a peer-to-peer payments and transactions network that can be done without the need of a bank, without the need of a third-party financial institute. I'm talking about no MoneyGram, no Western Union. No type of financial institution needs to be involved when we're making this peer-to-peer transaction. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get some of this digital currency that's going to allow you to do just that. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to walk you through this from A to Z. All right, 1, 2, 3. So with that being said, I'm here. Like, subscribe, share the video. I'm gonna leave a couple things at the bottom so you can follow along with me. All right, you'll be able to click on some of the links. I got my homie Sean here, Mr. Strictly Biz. Hey. Shout out to Sean.
Hey, what's going on?
And yeah, I'm gonna probably be giving away some free Bitcoin today. So if you guys join me right now today, live, I'll be using the spin the wheel. I'm gonna spin the wheel. I'm gonna be giving away some free digital currency. All right, it might not be BTC. It might be Dash or Ethereum or some Ethereum Classic. It may be any one of these digital currencies. But one thing's for sure, two things for certain: all of these digital currencies can be converted back into a fiat currency if that's what you choose, and it can all be spent to buy whatever it is you want to buy. All right, so this is a very valid currency for trading. All right, so give me 1 second. I'm gonna go and check and see what's going on the back end of everything. See if I got a live chat. Oh wow, check this out. Awesome, I already had something in there. So I'm going to stop sharing this real quick. And like I said, you know, welcome back, everybody. Anybody and everybody that pops up. Definitely get ready to learn. I'm getting ready to show you guys how to capitalize in this new financial era that we're in. Show you how to get these coins up. So I know Facebook is going, YouTube, we're on YouTube right now, we're streaming live on YouTube. I know YouTube is going to eventually start showing the people that we are going live right now. So I kind of got to set everything up to make a proper.
Oh shit, you guys.
What's up?
Oh shit now.
That's right.
We definitely gonna be showing you guys how to do a little bit of everything when it comes to this new digital currency. All right, I'm be showing you guys how to mine these digital currencies. I'm talking about with some of the computer hardware that you can build right there in your All right there in your home. You can build some of this stuff I'm talking about with regular computer equipment, and it's not that hard. I'm gonna show you how to start the Bitcoin, mine Bitcoin, or any one of these digital currencies for that matter. Okay, not just some cloud-based mining, something that you gotta kind of like put all your faith into some, online website. We're going to show you guys how you can set these systems up right in your own home, all right, in your basement or your factory, wherever, wherever you had a space to actually set these things up. You can set these things up and they will run for you, all right? So these are systems that you can set up that will actually do all of the work for you. That's exactly what a lot of people have been looking for a long time. So now we've been presented with an opportunity where we can do just that. So, once you guys do come out, I really do appreciate you for joining us. I do have a live chat right here going. So
my girl is just getting off work. She's gonna come home. We're gonna go work out. Finally, she wants to get back in the gym with fucking Ronald Schwarzenegger. Oh man, I'm getting left in dirt here, gentlemen. This is absolutely done.
Yeah. So what you doing right now, bro? You trading? We live.
Yeah, I'm on some unfavorable websites in the opinion of some gentlemen, but
Well, don't expose too much, man.
Yeah,
I don't know what site you on over there.
GDAXing it up right now.
Hey, GDAXing it up. True.
Oh, it's not too bad. Come on, we'll take the hit. Keep it moving. It does kind of look like it might just right now. So let's actually go ahead and we're going to place this in a respectable, non-greedy placement out here.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go back and put this.
Oh, you said we're live?
Yeah,
Oh shit! What's happening?
already.
How do you? Wow, I didn't know YouTube went live. What's happening? It's your fellow man. Full peace and prosperity, and don't do meth. That's
say no to math, man. Say no to the math. Don't go looking for that.
You guys heard about that new meth coin? Man,
math coin.
Accepted by traders. Why? What?
We do not know anything about meth, and so we'll add a couple more things in there real quick. So I just want to bring it to you people live and show you guys exactly what's going on, how to get started with this new digital currency, how to capitalize, all right, and how to get on the right side of money right now. All right, we're going to show you guys how you can take advantage of Bitcoin and the rest of these digital currencies by trading in on cryptocurrency exchanges, by mining these digital currencies. All right, the process of using your computer's computing power to actually digitally mint these digital currencies, right? So that's called Bitcoin mining. And also by investing, right? We're going to really show you how you can start to take your money, all right, invest it and start to get a return on that investment, all right? Way more than what the bank is offering you. So we're just doing this stuff live. We're also going to be giving out some digital currency today, all right? So please join us, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. We got a live chat going right over here. I'm gonna just say hello in there, just to get off. We got 2 people watching so far. Shout out to the viewers. Really appreciate you guys for joining us right here. We're going live on YouTube. All right. Well, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how to get started with digital currency, not just Bitcoin, not just Dash or Ethereum, but we got several other digital currencies. What's up, Rob? Rob, shout out to Robert Jern. Hey,
that's me, baby.
Oh, y'all, that's you. What?
Yeah,
Shout out
I
to you, man.
Yeah,
thought you
shout
said
out.
there's people in the room. I gotta say what's up.
Oh yeah,
So
yeah.
that
We'll
might be
say.
me. Oh, so I might be one of the viewers because I just clicked on the link.
Well, that's cool, man. We'll just go back and share the video, man. I mean, share this live. You know, screenshot it, whatever, however you gotta do. Put it on there and let everybody know we are live. You know what I'm talking about?
Right.
All right, so cool. Let me do that. And then real quick, because like I said, I gotta. My girl's gonna come home from work. We're gonna go to the gym.
Oh yeah. You finna go to the gym?
Discuss some of the things I wrote down on the whiteboard. So
Yeah.
let me
Yeah, we can cover those. That's what's up.
get this link real quick. Apologize for the delay. The doctor says I'm no good. Hey, how the hell did I spell discussion wrong? Oh, there's no. Oh, come on, man. There we go. All right, so the link is posted.
Link is posted.
Yeah, the basics to be covered would be, I guess, a few ways one might attain value by using Bitcoin, right? I mean, we could go over all the facts about decentralization and how easy it is to send money back and forth, or how useful and how many more companies are picking it up at adoption rates that are benefiting them independently as companies. But ways to profit. You and I, or profit much differently because we use it every day. But the average person can, how would you best say, take advantage of it without having to dive in their whole life, right?
Right.
All right, so a few ways would be trading, which is something you could be doing occasionally during the week. More importantly, less hands-on would be mining, or something I'm currently learning about, Ethtrade, which is investing your money and letting it work for you. Right?
Awesome. Yeah, it's so fun. You're on track, man.
I'm going to say, ultimately, yeah, very simple. Coins were made by persons who didn't agree with the currency. They are attaining value. We seek to, help people understand that this isn't something that just Looney Tunes or, tech geeks or, I don't know, whatever you want to label whoever you think deserves to be labeled, whatever, for whatever reason. Everybody is accessible to the coin. It could benefit anybody. The question is, how long is it going to take before people realize, oh shit, this is something I should have picked up, when those crazy guys were talking about it on that YouTube video.
Yeah.
Definitely watched.
We're definitely going crazy out here making this money. Pimping presidents, making this money grow.
Definitely. Let me see. Let me change this up.
So what do you got going on? What are you doing there behind the screen? It looks like besides being the host, you're doing some important stuff.
I'm putting some stuff right here in the comment and the description. If you got something you want me to put right there, you can tell me right now. I can put it right there for you. I'll put a nice little section right there. I can add whatever. Whatever you want to add right there. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna put your phone number right there so people could call you on the phone.
What?
I'm just fucking around, man. Hey, but we definitely can get you some.
That's some new shit I haven't heard of, but I am still learning, so it's all good.
Hey, man, I mean, shit. Call me on the phone.
If it's about that money, I will answer.
Yeah. You hear me?
All right, so the price is still running away from me a little bit. I decided to kind of shoot low. It's not working. I'm gonna go ahead. Are you screen sharing at the moment?
No, you should go ahead and share.
I'm gonna go ahead and show that off real quick. I want to pre-expose any information. There we go. All right, so I just canceled an order that I had around 50:10. It's been there probably, I don't know, 10 minutes. It's not filling. A little frustrating, so I'm going to hike it up a little bit. Not bad because I'm not losing money. We're just working with a few coins here just for experimental purposes. We're trying to show people how they can make money on different websites. Can't do that. It's a scam. Personally, I don't believe that you can just guess what's going to happen. The best way to trade, if you're going to do it manually, if you're not going to invest your money, is going to be to understand what's happening, watch it, and make educated guesses. You can't know what's going to happen. Everything is unpredictable, but that doesn't mean you got to take shots in the dark. The system is built for a reason, because if you look at it in the correct manner, you can, it's like a dialogue. You can tell where it's going to head, and different times of day really do have different behaviors. It's crazy. And sometimes it's just absolutely haywire. That just depends on current events, holidays.
I think that's some information for the newbies out here that really don't know too much. If they're interested in getting into this year, the best way of getting into this year is at least striving to open up some type of demo account, fool around with it, play with it, and go to YouTube and actually learn a little bit of something that can get you kind of prepared for what you're looking at before you put any money up in here. Because
yeah, well, I like to tell people, man. I mean, just look, it's $10 is not gonna make you or break you. You can definitely get started in this market. This is the market that you can jump into and really turn $10 into $10 million. So I mean, there are some places where you can start demo accounts, but I like to show people how to get straight to the money. Definitely.
That's a good map to have, bro.
Yeah, for sure. If you got your if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet already, you definitely need to have a Bitcoin wallet to get started. I'm gonna get started with the Bitcoin wallet. What you're saying, bro?
like me myself, when I first started up in here looking at, can't see type of interest, because you do have them type of people that are up in here, possibly that may come up in here that may have an interest in it. They want to learn, but instead of they don't jump in right then and there. They're not ready for it yet. That's why the demo account would be cool. And they can find plenty of demo accounts online. But when it comes to investing, then it's a different story. There's something new to learn when you put some real money up in there. And $10 is cheap. $10 is ridiculously cheap. I spent $10 in no time. So why not invest? Put $10 up in there. And as I know, as a brand new individual, you want to put $10 up in here. You want to make some money like right now, and you can't go in there right now. Just put the $10 in there that first week, and then maybe the next week you get paid for another $10 in there the next week while you're learning everything that you need to know in order to. So when you're finally ready to put a bid in, then you know exactly where to put the bid in.
Definitely.
You don't want to lose the little bit of money that you do have to spare on not knowing what the hell you're doing. So,
yeah, well, definitely. We want everybody winning. So the cryptocurrency exchanges is definitely this is definitely something you want to come in here with, kind of knowing what you're doing, or risking something that not really gonna hurt you. All right, so we definitely always try to make that disclaimer. Do not invest more than you can risk. All right, do not go and bet the baby's milk. All right, because
don't do it.
We do not want to have you crying over the spilled milk. All right. So,
hey,
what's up?
Listen. Okay. Never mind. I don't know if I should say this. Where are you guys at here?
We're looking at you.
We looking at the GDEX, man.
Yeah,
Oh, there we
Yeah,
are.
you still on
There
the
we
GDEX,
are.
man?
I'm just looking to see all the history. Okay, cool.
Yeah, we're looking at your screen twice.
All right, I'm just trying to find everything. Look at this. Fuck, what was I gonna say? Dude, I've been smoking way too heavy. Is that good, baby?
Yeah, man. Yeah, so somebody finish that screen. What y'all guys trying to do?
Yeah, no, I'm trying to think about what I was gonna say. What it was relevant.
Oh, you all smoked out, huh?
I know, bro. It's been a long day.
Yeah, it's been a long day, man. About to take a break, bro. So, with that being said, I'm gonna take the wheel and show you how to get these skills, right? These skills are very simple, all right? The most thing that you're gonna have to know how to do is know how to copy and paste. If you can copy and paste, you can win at this thing. A quick course on that. Depending on the device you're on, all right, only thing you have to do is take your cursor, okay, that you want to hold, you want to click and hold. Once you click and hold it, drag it to as far as you want to drag it, and then once you've gotten what you want to get, you're gonna let it go, and maybe some options are gonna pop up. And if some options don't pop up, what you're gonna do is, either right click, double click, I don't know what it is, Control C, that's gonna be efficient too.
Copy.
Command C, that's also gonna be efficient. But you're gonna press that copy button, okay? Now, when I press that copy button, it's automatically copied somewhere. Now, let's say if I wanted to go and take that right here, what I copied, all right, and I want to paste this thing anywhere on the internet, all right? Let's paste it right here back in the search bar. Something easy, something now. I'm not sharing my screen. Oh my God! All right, let me show you guys.
I think I gotta take over because
I gotta get.
Oh, man, I'm fucking over here trying to trade. I'm not even thinking about it.
Okay, yeah, maybe.
No, I totally lost my train of thought
because that's deep, y'all guys.
Right.
Yeah, right. So yeah, I'm still trying to get my viewers up real quick, man. Just as soon as I get my viewers up, I'll be able to go nuts. Right?
That's cool right there.
We're gonna be sharing this, so
where's the fucking
shout out to all of my viewers. I really appreciate y'all for always joining me. I'm getting ready to show you guys live, all right, how you can start to get started. All right, if you haven't started already, I'm gonna show you how to get started today. It is money on the floor to be made, and I want you to be making it. All right, don't worry about what I'm making. Worry about what you can be making. Okay, this is not about me. This is about you.
Sheesh.
This is not about me. This is about you, and I'm trying to show you how to make the transition now. All right, it's better now than later, right? Okay. So I'm trying to show you how you can position yourself on the right side of money. All right, make an exit right now. Abandon $1 right now while you have a chance. Abandon ship. You ever heard that? It's time to abandon ship.
Put on your lifeguard suit.
Hey, just to chime in before I forget again. Because you guys were saying, I was just having some issues. I got it all figured out. Listen, you guys were saying about don't spend money, you can invest. And people say that, people get deterred when you say that because it's like, oh, fuck, it is a scam, it's a ploy. But it's more a sense of being a good, setting your priorities straight, which, to be honest, most of us don't fucking do anyways. Excuse my language. Most of us don't set our priorities straight. I've never spent the last of my money on a coin just to try to double it because I've never been in a situation where I would need to do that. I've been in other situations where I've had a little bit of money and had something good to spend it on, and I just totally didn't do that. But that's something I think everybody does as people. So don't be deterred by that statement just because, and I agree with you. Don't spend money that you can't lose, but at the same time, don't let that deter you. This is not a scam. I put my own money into this. Let me tell you something. I like my money.
Yeah, this is definitely not a scam, man. This is definitely not a scam. One of those things you definitely want to take advantage of. What's up, bro? What you saying?
I don't think a scam is going to actually give you a warning at all. Period. Scam wants you to fall into the spider web, and that's it. We're even to the big time multi-6-digit businesses out there, such as for trading or whatever, is going to tell you straight up off the back first thing. It's part of the disclaimer, and it makes a lot of sense that there's little investment but big risk.
Definitely, and of course, there's something that we want to be very transparent about. You know what I'm saying, and that separates the real from the fake. All right, that's integrity. We're working with integrity over here. We definitely want to give you that disclaimer and let you know that there are certain risks. All right, the results are not typical. All right, sometimes we perform well above average. All right, we put a lot of time, a lot of focus into what we're doing. Okay, so with that being said, I mean, still, there's no way you can lose. It's only
if I may,
win with this thing. What's up, bro? What you say?
The dude said it best himself. I wish I could quote him right now, but again, I'm trading. He says a good investor, not necessarily a trader or anything. I think he used the word investor. A good investor finds value before there is price. Meaning, if you find something that you know is going to explode, like if we didn't have the car and they were inventing the car tomorrow, they came out with that shit, you as an investor would be like, oh, this is huge, and you'd dump your life savings into it. That's your spider sense to investing. So you might not have the spider sense. Other people do. And if they're telling you, hey, it's tingling, don't jump on it, but maybe you should do some research and make an informed decision before you just shun it off and go back to the memes. I love memes, don't get me wrong.
Right. You might have some good tips, huh?
Yeah, it's nice to have a meme and a bank account.
Yeah, I mean, some people don't always, like I say, you can come into the space and you don't have to have a big old bankroll. You don't have to have a large bank account, but you might have some awesome tips. Like, look, hey, I know where you can put your money at. You can get, hey, what's this? 23% return in 7 days. All right, 16% return in 24 hours. All right. Nowhere else can you show somebody how to do this. Okay. That, and it does go one way. Market can't go one way or the other. This is a very volatile marketplace. Right. It's real easy to make money in this place, but it's just equal to lose money in this place.
Hey, if I can chime in again.
Yeah, bro.
That volatility is not completely unpredictable. Okay, it's almost like a sine wave. Anybody out there, if there's any electricians or anybody, it's almost like an AC sine wave where it's not necessarily directly measurable, but you have an idea of what's going to happen, unless it's a catastrophic event. That being said, the volatility allows investors to almost guarantee returns. Motherfuckers I got to stop saying that. People make a living, a good living doing this. Very good living. Not even working with stocks, because the stock market last year, 2016, they put out a rule saying if you want to day trade, and what they classify as a day trader is, what is it? It's 5 trades in 4 days or 4 trades in 5 days. If you want to do that or do more than that, you have to have a minimum of $25,000 in your account, which doesn't make sense because, why is an organization going to put out something that restrictive to protect you? We're not. You got a question? Is it protection or is it restriction?
Right. What is it? Is it protection or restriction? And who are you protecting me against? You protecting me against myself? I don't need protection against myself. Like, don't help me, help the bear. Like, for real. Is
that a guaranteed investment, sir? You can't say that. Ban that, please. Ban that. Don't let them. They can't have that.
Right. We probably can't even be saying investment. That's probably going to be taken away from us. They're going to strip us from that word. It's no longer safe to be using that word in this space. All right, and it's probably going to have real compliance issues moving forward. But we're definitely showing people how to take money and work money without having to go through the bank, without having to go through, any financial institution, no money grant. No, we're cutting out a whole lot of people.
Oh yeah, I'm looking.
So with that being said, it's probably gonna come a time where they are gonna start to come down hard on us, because right now we're able to see returns we're able to offer the people returns. All right, jump on my team right now. I'm gonna show you how you can get, all right, up to 15% return on your investment. Not even up to, scratch that. The numbers are uncapped. This is a 15% increase in the last 24 hours. Rob, I know you're happy about that, man. Ethereum is knocking $4 right now. Let's refresh the screen. My buddy right here, Rob, is mining Ethereum Classic right now, man. He's pumping out probably over 100 mega hash. All right, he's pumping a lot of power over there. So he's getting, and he's been doing it for quite a while. All right, last week we seen Ethereum prices about $2.56. Right now, bang, just like that, $4. So somebody is a happy investor.
Hey, 424. And people are like, well, 424, that's not much. That's gonna, I might be able to get like, what can you buy for $4? You could buy like half of a value meal. You could buy like
what you mean? You can live all day off $4, man. What are you talking about? Ain't no secret, man.
Anyways, the $4 is not the principal, gentlemen. The principal is the percentage. That's 100%. That means it double. All right, my ladies home. It's been a good time.
Man, man, peace, man. I'm still here, and I'm getting ready to show you guys how you can capitalize by starting to invest. All right, you're gonna start to invest in companies. All right, especially this one. This is a trade company. Bitcoin. This is actually a cryptocurrency trading company. All right, actually a broker. Right, these are some of the first brokers in a cryptocurrency marketplace where traders will actually be doing live trading. Okay. So never before has it been done. People say they're doing it, but really, are they doing it? These guys, Meatcoin, are actually doing live trades twice a week, and they're going to show you exactly what they're trading and how profitable they are with those trades. Okay. Now, despite the name, do not get it twisted. Meatcoin is not another cryptocurrency. This is not one of those one coin things. This is a trading company. All right. We deal with, we deal with cryptocurrency trading on the cryptocurrency exchanges. Okay, it's simply the name of the company, and it is based out of Colombia. Okay, so show you guys about the company CEO. His name is Juan Carlos Olea. All right, he has over 10 years experience in this online space. He has a portfolio of his own products, and he's also launched a very successful program. And it's been operating approximately 4 years, and it's still running right now. Probably know about it. It's called, and probably know it from one of his other companies. I think it's called, what is it? Cybernetic.
Yeah, I think it's Cybernetic.
Yeah. Awesome. So yeah, if you want to check out his personal website, you can find him at juancarlosolea.com. And for the non-Spanish non-Spanish speaking users, you can use Google Chrome and toggle right back to the spot where you can hear him at. So give me 1 second here.
All right, the one thing I noticed, most people are going to definitely need, they're going to need a wallet.
Yeah. Give me one second. I'm gonna run through this real quick, Sean, and then pop back in, and we can show people exactly how to get set up with a wallet. You can run through that for me real quick, and show them how to get set up with a wallet. One of the quickest, easiest wallets that you can get, where you can start to load your coins up. All right, so you can start to again watch those coins grow, and then putting those coins to work, so those coins can actually start working for you, so that you can stop having to work so hard to go and get the money. Okay. So the compensation plan right here at Meatcoin is you can earn 3 ways. All right. The first way you can is earning a daily profit from your investment that you open. All right. Or the investment portfolio that you open when you get started. All right. The investment packages start at about 0.1 BTC, and they range all the way into 10 BTC. All right. We also have an infinite binary network bonus. You can get paid from building a structure, and also a 2x2 matrix network bonus. All right. Again, from also building a structure, you start to get kicked out money from building that structure. Now, again, they have 7 investment center packages. to choose from. All of the packages include monthly admin fees. So you'll see it right here. The first package is 0.1 BTC and also an admin fee of 0.020 BTC. They range, this one is actually 0.3 BTC and an admin fee of 0.025 BTC. And you see they go all the way up into 10 BTC. All right. So check out how those investment centers actually start to gain profit. All right. You're going to get paid 5% back daily, 5% daily, and that's paid out over 30 days. And that's going to be capital plus your profit paid out over a period of 30 days. All right. All payments will go directly to your BTC wallet. You do not have to wait for, to withdraw from site. All of that is going to go straight to your blockchain wallet or any one of the wallets that you set up. I'm actually, have Sean actually show you guys how to get started with Bitcoin wallet just a second right here, right? There is no limit to the amount of investment centers that you can get. Okay, so if you want to buy all these packages right now today, you can buy all of them and start earning a return on each one of those investment centers that you purchase. All right, now the minimum withdrawal is $50. So until your payout is equivalent to $50, it will not start automatically paying to your wallet. All right, now check this out, and I'm gonna just show you this, how your money can start to work for you. And I'm not even gonna touch on how you can start building a team and making that team start to generate income for you. All right, from the investment centers that they start to purchase. We're not even gonna get into that. I'm gonna just show you how your money can start to work for you. All right, so you don't have to go talk to a bunch of friends and family. You don't have to convince a whole bunch of people. You don't have to go door-to-door sales. I'm just going to show you how to make your money work. Okay. So let's say you want to get started with 0.10. All right. 0.1 BTC. That's equivalent to about $125 right now, plus an admin fee of 0.020. That's probably another $25 right now. So at your first initial investment, if you want to get started with 0.1 BTC, will be about maybe $150. All right. You get a day commission of 0.005. That's about $5, about $7 a day, $8 a day or something. And let's just scroll all the way down here to where it says the profit. I don't even know if I'm showing you guys my screen.
No, let me come up out of no, we don't see us. We see you.
Oh, wow. I'm going through all of this and I have not even showed you guys one time what I'm talking about. That's crazy. Right. Anyway, let's get back to it because I know I got a lot of hungry investors that's ready to take advantage and get started with this investment opportunity, with all of the investment opportunities that I'm continuing to bring to the table. All right. Not only am I giving you trade signals and tips and forecasts and helping you to get great returns on your investments, but I'm also showing you how to take advantage of Bitcoin mining and also investment opportunities that are giving you returns on your investment. Okay, so with Meatcoin, like I've been already telling you over and over again, this is one of the newest companies out here. And let me read this disclaimer real quick before I even get started. The following presentation is based on information communicated to us and taken from the official company presentation, and it is subject to change as per the company Meatcoin discretion. Okay. Also note that this is an investment opportunity, and by nature, there is a certain degree of risk involved. Okay. So like I said, this is Meatcoin. This is not a cryptocurrency. This is a cryptocurrency trading company. All right. Or broker. These are some of the first brokers or one of the first cryptocurrency trading companies in the market where traders will actually be doing live trading on the cryptocurrency trading platforms. Okay. All of the members had the opportunity to purchase investment centers or packages within the company, and the company actually generates a return on those investment centers, and it is paid out daily to all of the investors. All right, it's paid out directly to your wallet. You don't have to wait and try to withdraw from the site. These automatically goes to your wallet just as soon as it equals up to about $50. All right, but anyway, despite the name, like I said, Meatcoin is not an actual cryptocurrency. So we're not out here trying to convince somebody that this is the next Bitcoin. This is simply the name of the company, and again, it's based out of Colombia. Now I'm gonna tell you about Juan Carlos Olea. You already heard me talk about the guy real quick. He has over 10 years experience in this online space. He has a portfolio of his own products, and he has launched a very successful program, and it's been already operating approximately 4 years. and it's still running. Okay, now you can also go check out JuanCarlosOlea.com. Check his website out. He's official. All right. And now the compensation plan is 3 ways to earn with this company. We're going to talk about the daily profits today. I'm talking about how your money can start to work for you. All right. You don't have to worry about building a team. But of course, you see the second way to get paid is from the infinite binary network bonus. And that's from building a structure. And also our third way to get paid, which is the 2x2 matrix network bonus. And that's also from building a structure. Now you see the investment incentives start as was 0.1 BTC and they range all the way up to 10 BTC. Okay, now let's see how these things get paid, how these investment incentives actually get paid out on. All right, you're gonna start to get paid out every day. All right, every day that the traders trade, even on the weekends. You'll get 5% every day for 30 days. All right, then after that, you can either renew the package or you could just take your profit and run. But anyway, 5% capital plus your profit is paid out over 30 days, and all payments go directly to your BTC wallet. All right, doesn't matter if it's Coinbase, blockchain, Red Wallet, Exodus, doesn't matter, right? No limit to the amount of investment centers. You can buy as many investment centers as you want. The minimum withdrawal is $50. So as soon as their balance goes to $50, the payment's going to be automatically kicked out to your blockchain wallet. And you have 48 hours to repurchase your investment centers of the same value after 30 days to retain your position in the binary to continue earning. Now, like I said, there's 7 investment centers. They start at 0.1 BTC and they range all the way up into 10 BTC. All right, now they do have an admin fee. On the first level is 0.02 BTC. Now look at the daily commissions, and I'm gonna show you the daily commissions, and then I'm gonna show you the profits. All right. So the daily commissions are always 5%, and it's always dependent upon what you invest. So the first package is 18.75%. So again, that's from investing in 0.1 BTC plus that admin fee. So that's 0.102. All right, BTC, you're gonna get a daily commission of 0.005 BTC every day. You have a small withdrawal fee of 0.00025, and a daily commission of BTC is gonna be 0.00475. So that's a monthly income or a complete return on your investment of 0.1425. That's a profit of 0.0025, and again, that's 18.75%, and that's just one BTC. Now, immediately you see how the numbers spike up when you invest on that second level. That second level was 0.3 BTC that you need to get to that level. 0.3 BTC is equivalent to about $300 or so dollars. An admin fee is about $25 or so. You will have daily commission, again, 5% of your initial investment. That's about $15 or so. All right, each and every day for 30 days. Your monthly return on your investment is going to be 0.4275. Remember, that's from your initial investment of 0.30. And that's going to go all the way up to 31%. Now check out, it goes all the way up to 39%. And again, this is paid out all over a 30-day period. So we're not promising you something for a lifetime. We're not promising you something that's just so far-fetched. It's just so, again, this is a real trading company. They are doing real live trading 2 days a week where you can see live traders actually going to the cryptocurrency exchanges and show you exactly what's going on, okay? Again, these are investment centers or investment portfolios that you've opened that's going to give you a return on your investment just as soon as you get started, okay? Now, I'm also going to show you guys, actually where I got started at, how you can actually go ahead and get started. Hope I got some people already watching it. If you are, really appreciate you for joining us. But let me get to show you my mini coin real quick. Okay, from here, I'm gonna log out real quick. I'm gonna log back in. I do not get turned off by the site when you first get here. It is when it initially launched, it was all in Spanish. We've slowly started to get this thing converted into English. And if you're on Google Chrome, you can easily just right-click the button, scroll down to the option that says Convert Translate to English, and it'll translate to English. But once you want to access that, go in there, access it. man, and you're gonna be automatically taken to the back office. Once you get to the back office, it's very thorough. All right, you can watch all of the videos back here. It'll show you how to get started with MeCoin. But look, this is the first thing you got to know. The investment centers are right here. You can choose any one of these investment centers and purchase them from there. Once I go to the investment center, I can actually
that 0.1 looks good.
Yep, this 0.1 looks good. Dang, I can go right here. All right, this is the only thing I have to do. I have to send this exact amount, all right, 0.12 to this exact Bitcoin wallet address, or I can scan that with my phone. Bing, it's gonna automatically send 0.12 to that particular address, and then just as soon as it's verified on the blockchain network, it's gonna be recognized on the site, and then immediately next day it's gonna start earning profit. All right. So that's the only thing you have to do. This order must be paid before 24 hours. If the payment is made within this time period, the order will be canceled. If this payment is not made within this time period, the order will be canceled, and you have to request a new one. Very important. When you send your Bitcoins, it is possible that this screen is still being watched. Please do not make double shipments of Bitcoins, that this process will take until the transaction is 100% approved, between 5 and 30 minutes maximum. Then we will send a notification to you by mail once we have confirmed your payment. All right. So you definitely want to make sure you pay attention to all of the details when you're doing these Bitcoin transactions. All right, on a blockchain network. And let me show you that it's actually working. It's actually paying. So you see the investment centers. I'm gonna go back to the investment centers, and you see that I have only one investment center open. That is the 1.05 BTC open. So it has 22 days to expire, and it is active. So I'm gonna go right here to my business, and I'm gonna see the profit real quick. So I'm gonna show the profit. You see, this is the progress goal at the end of this term is gonna be 1.5 BTC. All right, and it's already 26% reached. 8 payments out of 30 have been made. You can see it's already paid out 6 payments right here. Pagado. Pagado, that means paid out.
Yeah.
And pendiente means pending. So I still got 2 payments that actually needs to be paid out. There, that's 0.05 every day. 0.05 every day. 0.05. 0.05. 0.05. And that's going straight to my wallet every day. And I can show you one of the wallets that I'm using to actually kind of like verify that it's actually it's actually doing that. It's actually doing it. 0.05. And of course, I do have to pay that small mining fee.
Which is nothing compared to what the government does for you. They can even rate you. You don't know what's going on here. It's not.
So here's one of my wallets right here, and you see right now.
I love that wallet.
0.95 right here, which is 0.05 and 0.05. All right, minus 5 for the processing fees, and 0.95, 0.95, 0.95. So these things actually, it's really paying out. It's really paying out. This is the real deal. All right. This is not something that's going to promise you for a lifetime. This is only 30-day contracts here at MeCoin, where this is a cryptocurrency trading company that actually have live traders. They go onto the cryptocurrency exchanges and they actually show you what they do twice a week live. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you real quick. If you do not know how to get started, I'm gonna leave a link for this, but if you do not have Bitcoin, which you definitely will need in order to get started over here, you will need some Bitcoin. If you do not have Bitcoin, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get started with the Bitcoin right now, today, live. We need to see how to do this, how to get you started, how to show you how to get this money.
I'll tell you this much: the first thing everybody's gonna need is wallet, sure. It's Coinbase or a blockchain. That's exactly what's going to be needed in order to have. You are now the bank. The bank has nothing to do with it. Just make you the bank. Once you acquire a wallet, and once again, like Stanley was saying, you got to be very, very careful. There is no phone you can pick up and say, "Well, I done spent this amount of money. Can I get it back?" This is cryptocurrency. You've got to be precise. You got to be on point with what you put into or take out of your Coinbase wallet. the whole thing, you want to go to, let me get my link and put it up in here, because this is what you're going to definitely need in order to open up the wallet itself. Let me see if I can go in here and find it. You can build there. Come up here in the corner. Open this up, open the chat. And I think I have the link already copied. Here it is. This is the link right here, Coinbase. You're gonna click on this here. You can sign up, follow blow by blow description. Nothing hard about it. Any questions? There's always YouTube. Not only that, we're here to answer any questions and happen to be a part of anything that we put out there for you all to check out to get ready for collecting and making your money grow. Let me share a screen so I can show you where I'm at. I've been doing a hell of a lot of transactions. That's why I'm looking at $12.50. I actually started off with $10. This bad boy went all the way up to like 90, close to 100. So whenever Bitcoin goes up, your money goes up in this. That's why I like cryptocurrency. I like the wallet. You're going to sign in, you're going to sign up, and it's going to bring you to a screen like this here. All right, that link that he was telling you about, that you have to bring that link that it's actually called email wallet. You want to go to your send and receive and place that email Bitcoin wallet here. And you want to go back to where he was and where it said 0.12. You want to copy that. And then you want to put that down there as far as the amount that you want to ship over to that location. You may want to put some notes down to where you want to send it to, depending on where you send it to, so that you have some type of feedback. Then you want to hit send funds. This is how we send funds. Send and receive funds. Buy and sell. With this here, with the buy and sell, it's not going to work until you hook it up to your bank account. There are step-by-step blows in here that will tell you exactly how it's done. As you can see, I got a Bitcoin, Ethereum. I have it hooked up my bank account. And also I have it hooked up to my debit cards. So the bank account system is going to take about a week before anything goes into your account. It's going to take a long time. So what you want to do is you want to hook up a debit card or something here.
Yeah, bro. We don't even really want to be dealing with the credit cards and stuff, really, man. We just want to buy some Bitcoin fast with cash. That's what we want to do. We want to buy Bitcoin fast with cash.
Okay, check this out. When you go through the banks, it's going to take you a week for it to be verified. That may be fast, but it's slow. I found that if I use a debit card like a PayPal or something like that, where the cash is inside the PayPal, I can quickly transfer. It goes in one, just like that. It goes directly into your Bitcoin account without having to wait for that time period that it takes for the bank to send the money to. Because it's going to take you a week, 7 days.
So cool. So you can use Coinbase. You definitely can use Coinbase if you want to use Coinbase. If you want to use blockchain wallet, you can use a blockchain wallet. I use Exodus on my desktop. I love the Exodus wallet for my desktop, and I also use the Jax wallet and for my mobile wallet. I use my Jax wallet for my mobile wallet. These wallets can hold multiple currencies. So I like to tell people to get wallets that can hold multiple currencies. Okay, so if it can hold Jax, if it can hold my Dash, it can hold my Litecoin, it can hold my Ethereum coins, it can hold my Bitcoin. That's a wallet that I want to have. Okay, and it also offers me that privacy and that security. So I definitely, I left those two right there so the viewers can get back and they can see it, and if they would ever get a chance to see it, right?
They'll get to share your screen.
But definitely, that's pretty much what I want to show you guys how to do, how to take advantage. Okay, even on the cryptocurrency exchanges. All right, I'm gonna pretty much cut this thing short, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can go into the cryptocurrency exchanges yourself. Okay, and really start to buy, sell, and trade these cryptocurrencies for profit. Okay, so this is very easy. But again, this is a very, very volatile marketplace where it's real easy to make some money, but it's also real easy to lose some money. Okay, so we have plenty investment opportunities, plenty strategies for you to follow that will help you to make this transition over into this financial world where you have all of the control. All right. So thanks again for joining us right here on the channel live, where we show you exactly how to get started with digital currency and quickly get in profit. All right. So please join us again. Thanks, like, subscribe, share the channel. We really appreciate you guys. Peace.
Peace.